Well, guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to fix Roblox keeps crashing and freezing. So there are a few things that you can do so you can prevent this. So this works on Mac and this also works on your Windows PC. So let's get started. So here, the first thing you'll have to do is actually head into your applications, whether you're using your Windows or your Mac, and you want to uninstall anything related to VRs or Oculus app. You want to uninstall those because those can cause the crashes right here. So try to uninstall those right here. Anything related to VRs, you can uninstall. So next, there's going to be another fix for that, which is actually by going here to your privacy and security and disabling all that is related to your camera. So you want to disable your camera right here. So especially when it's in your Roblox, you want to actually try to disable it right here or just disable it in general. And you can also do that in your Windows and actual Mac right here. So those are the two things that you can do. Or the only thing you can do is try to restart and reset the whole thing of your Mac or your computer, or you can even try to reinstall the installer of Roblox so that it will be solved in no time. So there you go, guys. That is how you fix your Roblox when it keeps on crashing and freezing.